My name is Larry Mundt, and I have Parkinson's. I went to HCA Florida Blake Hospital.
Parkinson's disease involves a shaking of the arm at rest, so this can be very debilitating for people. He sat down and he said, "I heard that you can do deep brain stimulation, and I want you to do that for me." Deep brain stimulation involves placing tiny electrodes deep inside the brain, controlled by what we call a brain pacemaker that goes in the chest.
I ended up being the first person in Manatee County to have it done.
Larry being the first patient was amazing because you could tell he was really excited to get this done.
When they rolled me into the operating room, I did that.
We're one of only 2 centers in the entire state of Florida that does DBS this particular way. It is custom built on a 3D printer for each patient. It cuts our OR time in half. We wake them up when we place the lead inside the brain. We turned the stimulator off and you could see how much his hand would shake. We turn it on and you can see solid.
And as soon as they turned those on, they said, "Put your hand out like that." I did. It was like that. None of this.
Larry seems to be doing amazing now. His spirit is just bright.
I think the fact that Larry was the first person to get it done here is very significant, and the fact that it's a step forward for this community. The end goal is to touch as many lives as we can.
Here in Manatee County, we have about 18,000 individuals with either Parkinson's or essential tremor. So it's a wonderful, wonderful therapy.
Or I'm not shaking at all compared to what I was. This is a nice hospital, and I had some real good nurses, very good doctor. This is a way to go. And my goal in this is not just the shaking and, that little walker over there, I want to get rid of it. That I'm going to.